In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print 2 pages per sheet in Foxit Reader. This process can help you save paper and make your printed documents much more compact and easy to manage. So, whether you're printing a lengthy report, a handout, or just trying to cut down on the amount of paper you use for a study guide, this method can be particularly handy. Let's delve right into it. First, you need to open the PDF document you wish to print in Foxit Reader. Once you've got your document open and are ready to print, navigate to the File menu located at the top left corner of the window. Once there, you'll want to click on Print, or simply press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P to open up the Print dialog box. This step is essential as it brings up the window where you'll configure all your printing options. Now, with the Print dialog open, you'll notice several settings available for customization. What you're looking for here is the section labeled Multiple Pages per Sheet. Sometimes, depending on the version you're using, this might also be found under Page Arrange or Page Handling. It's crucial to locate this section because this is where you can set how many pages you want to appear on each sheet of paper. Within the Multiple Pages per Sheet section, you'll find a setting called Pages per Sheet. Here you can specify the number of pages you want to print on one sheet. Since we're focusing on 2 pages per sheet, select 2 from the options provided. However, keep in mind, if you ever need a different number of pages on each sheet in the future, this is the setting you'd return to adjust. Next, you have the option to choose Page Order. This defines how the pages will be displayed on the sheet. You might want them arranged left to right and then top to bottom, which is a commonly chosen sequence, especially if you're reading through information sequentially. Additionally, there's an option to set a print page border. If you check this option, a border will be printed around each of the mini pages on your sheet. This can be useful for clarity when dealing with multiple pages per sheet, as it visually separates the content. Before you hit print, it's a good idea to double-check all your other settings. This includes ensuring your paper size is correct, your page orientation is how you need it, and any scaling options are as you intended. Doing a quick review prevents any surprises when your document finally prints. Once you're satisfied with all these settings, go ahead and click the Print button. The document will then process through your printer, delivering the multi-page per sheet goodness that you've set up. And there you have it, an efficient way to print 2 pages per sheet in Foxit Reader, helping you conserve paper and organize your documents better in a few simple steps. I hope you found this guide clear and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!